what the hell, boy?
I literally hate waking up in the morning. I just like feel terrible. I need my car to warm up. Coffee taste test. It's actually not that bad. We're back.
Canvas.
Oh, it's Jack.
This is her background.
Oh, there he is. Oh. You know, I sprayed myself hella. I know it's not me.
Oh, it's a vlog day?
Like, won't focus. So you did your hair today. I see those face framing pieces. Okay.
I did it yesterday. Thank you very much. I was like, oh, I'm gonna do so many notes. Like, I'm gonna get everything done. I sat in bed and watched Man of the Plan.
You know what you do? You literally think that you're gonna do all this productive stuff during the weekend, and you wait till Sunday night. And
I don't. So much time.
I'm done with classes for the day, but it's 12:14 right? Wait, that's not what that says. It's 12:24 right now. So maybe I'll go home and make some breakfast, or I guess like lunch, and then I could go to a coffee shop. But I know me. I know I'm not gonna want to drive anymore. It is way later. It's 5:14. I just finished the gym. Me and my girlfriends are going out tonight. Oh my god, I'm so excited!